Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right, this cool amazing part right here, it is insane. Basically what these are some case for your brand new iPhone or your older iPhones, but they have different sizes for different phones, whether it be for the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or the iPhone 12 Pro. So let me actually open up each one first to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we're going to test it out and show you guys how it looks like on the phone. So when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they have a little bag inside another bag right here, and then right here we have the actual case itself, and they do have a little warranty card right here. But this is basically what it looks like right here, as you can see. And these are supposed to be military drop tested as well, so if you guys do end up dropping it, you guys don't have to worry about your phone getting scratches or dent or whatever. So the material on this case is pretty nice because it has that kind of like anti-fingerprint material that they use for the case. And it's also kind of like anti-slip in a way because of the material they use, so it has a very nice grip to it. Same thing for the side as well, it has a very nice grip material. So you guys don't have to worry about it like slipping or whatever. You definitely get like a really nice grip to it. They have the button controls on the side and also on the other side as well right there. And then on the bottom part they have the opening for you guys to plug in a cable and also for the speakers as well. And that's what the back part looks like right there. And this is what the front part looks like. So this one is for the iPhone 11. Let me show you guys the other one as well. So the next one we have right here, this one is for the iPhone 11 Pro. So when we open it up, same thing, as you can see. They have the little bag right here with the logo right there. And this is basically what the case looks like. Same thing, it has a warranty. You guys can see the design and everything looks exactly the same. Anti-fingerprint and everything. Buttons and everything works really well. Pretty flexible, but definitely feels really high quality and everything. And then for the last one that we have right here is for the iPhone 12 Pro, which is what I'll have, so I can put that on to show you guys what it actually looks like. So when we open it up, this is basically what it looks like right here. It looks exactly the same. The bag inside the bag, and then right here we have the case itself, and then they have the warranty card here as well if anything goes wrong with the product. You guys can see, so the case looks exactly the same, the button and everything is pretty much the same. It's just a little bit different like shape or design on the actual case itself to fit the correct phone. Like I said, this is for the iPhone 12 Pro, and then this is for the iPhone 11 Pro, and then this one for the iPhone 11. So as you can see, it looks basically all the same, it's just a little bit size different in terms of like the phone size and everything. So let's put this on first to show you guys what it actually looks like on the phone itself first. So right here we have the iPhone 12 Pro. Just push it in like this. So once we put it on, this is basically what it looks like right here. If you can see, it definitely has a little bit raised on the actual front cover right here. So that way it's a little bit protected on the front side. But then obviously if you guys drop it like this, right on this part right here, if it's on a sharp part or something, it's most likely gonna crack unless you guys have like a glass screen protector like me. On the side of the button, you can see it looks pretty good, easy to use. The buttons are really easy to click. Same thing for other side right here, easy to click as well. Bottom part has opening for you guys to plug in the cables and everything, and opening for the speakers. And this is what the back part looks like right there. So it has opening for the actual camera itself. It's not blocked or anything. And it definitely is raised a little bit. You guys can't really see it, but it's definitely raised just a little bit. Let me try and move a little closer for you guys so you can see a better view of it. So it's raised very little. It's hard for me to show you guys. On the back part of the actual case itself, it definitely is anti-fingerprint when we actually use it, if you guys can see. Like I'm putting so much fingerprint on it, but it just goes away really easily and really fast. It's hard for me to show you guys in the actual camera itself, but definitely no fingerprints or anything, which is pretty cool. Definitely has a very nice grip to it. The actual case itself, you guys want to use it for wireless charging, you definitely can as well. It's super thin case, so you guys don't have to worry about it not being able to wireless charge or whatever. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of case is really worth it to get, especially when you guys are paying such a high price for a very expensive phone. You guys want to protect at all costs. To get a case and maybe on top of that, get like a glass screen protector as well to protect the glass in the front. If you guys want to go the extra mile to add the glass screen protector for your actual camera itself, you definitely can as well. But it's definitely really nice to get a case for the phone and also a glass screen protector for your actual phone in the front screen as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.